everyone, today's recipe is about my Sunday brunch from today. It's Puri Aloo. I thought I would share with you since I made it for myself today and my family. So let's just jump right in. Heat 1 teaspoon of ghee in a pan. Add a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Let them sizzle a little bit. They will become aromatic. You'll know when they're ready. Half a teaspoon of turmeric, a teaspoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of garam masala, and some salt to taste. We're going to roast these spices until they become fragrant and they cook a little bit. Then I'm adding in 3 medium chopped potatoes. You can chop them large, you can chop them small, totally depends on you. I went with medium. Then you want to mix them really well so the spices coat them, and you can see that they've turned yellow from the turmeric, and also they look like they're beautifully spiced up as well. So you just want to make sure they're coated up really well. Toss them, turn them, and finally garnish it with some coriander leaves, as much or as little as you want. Next step, I made some whole wheat flour dough. I just took 2 cups of whole wheat flour, added some water to it until it came up to a nice consistency, like a medium soft consistency, and also have some oil heating up for deep fry. Alright, I'm going to start by taking 1 portion of the dough, rolling it out to about 4 inches in diameter, and then I'm going to slide it into the hot oil. Make sure the oil's hot. Press it into the oil on the corners or edges and make sure it puffs up, or at least try to make it puff up. As soon as it puffs up, you want to flip it over in the oil safely or carefully and cook it for about a couple seconds or maybe 30 seconds to a minute more. And as soon as the oil stops bubbling, you know that the puri is ready. So you just want to repeat it with the remaining puris or the remaining portions. Make sure you don't roll out the puris or the portions too thin, because that'll just make them too crispy. Unless you want them crispy, but I would suggest to keep them on the slightly thicker side, like you can see in the video. So again, just slide in your puris, pop them up in the oil, flip them over, cook them for a few more seconds until the oil stops bubbling, and just strain it off onto a paper towel and serve it hot with your favorite potatoes, coriander mint chutney, or even if you want to serve it off with some chicken curry, butter chicken, whatever you want to serve it off with. So yeah, make a lot of puris or just finish all the portions and serve it up hot with spiced potatoes, coriander mint chutney. And yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a try and serve it to your family. Also, please do consider subscribing to my channel. Your support means a lot to me, and thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time. Bye.